Hello and welcome to Learning with Love with Mrs. Sand, and I am Mrs. Sand. This is your one-stop for all information on homeschooling and all its tricks that I am ready to reveal to you. So subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a video or trick. In today's video, we're going to talk about the importance to gardening and plant science for homeschoolers. Gardening and plant science are activities that provide numerous benefits to individuals, communities, and the environment. These benefits can be divided into several categories, including physical, mental, and environmental. Physical benefits. Gardening is a form of physical activity that can improve your health, strengthen muscles and bones, and can improve balance and coordination. It can also help with weight management and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Gardening can also be beneficial for people with disabilities, as it allows them to engage in physical activity in a way that is accessible to them. Mental benefits. Gardening is a form of therapy that can help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. It can also improve mood and well-being and provide a sense of accomplishment and pride. Gardening can also help with cognitive function and memory retention, as it requires an individual to plan, problem solve, and think critically. Environmental benefits. Gardening is an environmental friendly activity that can help improve air and water quality, reduces pollution, and conserve natural resources. By growing their own food, individuals can reduce their carbon footprint and support sustainable agriculture. Planting a garden can also provide a habitat for wildlife such as birds, butterflies, and bees. Social benefits. Gardening can bring communities together by providing opportunities for social interaction and building connections with others. Community gardens, for example, can provide a space for individuals to come together and share resources and knowledge and work towards a common goal. It can also help to improve the appearance of the neighborhood and create a sense of pride in the community. Educational benefits. Gardening and plant science provides opportunity for learning and education, and it can be used as a tool for teaching subjects such as biology, chemistry, physics, and mathematics. It can also foster an appreciation for the natural world and develop an understanding for the importance of the environment. By studying plants, individuals can learn about the different functions of a plant cell and the process of photosynthesis and the role that plants have in the ecosystem. In conclusion, gardening and plant science provides numerous benefits to individuals, communities, and the environment. These benefits include physical, mental, and environmental improvements, as well as opportunities for social interaction, education, and community building. It is a wonderful activity that can be enjoyed by people of all ages and abilities, and that can have a positive impact on our health and well-being. And here are 20 examples for gardening and plant science for homeschoolers. Number 1. Planting a vegetable garden and learning about the different types of vegetables and their growing requirements. Number 2. Starting a herb garden and using herbs in cooking and for medical purposes. Number 3. Understanding photosynthesis and how plants convert sunlight into energy. Number 4. Learning about the different types of soil and how to amend soil for optimal plant growth. Number 5. Investigating different parts of the plants and their functions. Number 6. Understanding the role of pollinators in the ecosystem and how to attract them to your garden. Number 7. Conducting experiments to observe the effect of different sunlight levels on plant growth. Number 8. Learning about plant disease and pests and how to control them naturally. Number 9. Planting a wildflower garden. Number 11. Learning about different types of plants such as seeds, cuttings, and grafting. Number 12, understanding the importance of biodiversity in gardening and how to create a diverse garden. Number 13, investigating the effects of climate change on plants and gardening. Number 14, understanding the role of composting in the garden and making your own compost. Number 15, learning about the different types of irrigations and how to conserve water in the garden. Number 16, understanding the role of pruning in maintaining the health of the plants. Number 17, understanding the role of mulch and how to use it to improve soil and retain moisture. Number 18, understanding the role of beneficial insects in gardening and how to attract them to your garden. Number 19, understanding the role of organic gardening and the benefits of using organic methods. Number 20, understanding the role of plant breeding and genetic modification in your gardening and agriculture. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that it was very informative. Please subscribe and ring the notification bell for more videos to help you become a better home educator. This is Learning with Love with Mrs. Sand, and I am Mrs. Sand. Hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.